Class 9, exercise number 3.10, question number 2, solve graphically. Here we see the first Roman number. The first Roman number is given as x plus y is equal to 7 and then x minus y is equal to 3. Here we have two equations given. To find the ordered pair for this two equation, let me take it as first and second equation. We want to find the ordered pair of this equation. So first we take the equation number 1. Here put x equal to 0 for this equation, that is equation number 1 is x plus y is equal to 7. You want to find the ordered pair means just we give the value for x is equal to 0 first, then in the place of x equal to 0 means then y is equal to 7. Here the ordered pair is 0 comma 7, right? And then next one, put y is equal to 0. We want to put the value y is equal to 0 in the place of y. If you put 0 means we get x is equal to 7. Then the ordered pair is first x value 7 and then y value 0. So we get two ordered pair, right? Two ordered pair is enough to draw a straight line, right? Now we take the second equation. See equation number 2, we get x minus y is equal to 3 is the second equation. Here also we are using the same concept. Put x equal to 0. Here we put x equal to 0 means minus y is equal to 3, then y is equal to minus 3. Then the ordered pair is 0 comma minus 3. And then put y is equal to 0. In the place of y is equal to 0 means then x is equal to 3. We get the ordered pair as first we have to write x-axis, that is x, and then y value. So by the first equation we get 2 points, we can draw a straight line, and then second equation also we get 2 points, so we draw another straight line. By using this two straight line we can able to find the solution for this given equation. Let's see the graph. Let me take the graph. The horizontal line is x-axis and the vertical line is y-axis. The scale factor, here I am taking the scale factor as x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit and y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. First we plot the points of first equation. See here the first equation we have 2 points. One is 0 comma 7 and 7 comma 0. First we plot the points. First x-axis 0, y-axis 7. Here x-axis 0, y-axis 7 means the point will be lies in a y-axis. This is the point 0 comma 7. Next point 7 comma 0. X-axis is 7. Here the x-axis is 7 and then y-axis is 0. The point lies in the x-axis 7 comma 0. Right? First we would want to draw the line for these 2 points. We draw the line. So the line of equation is x plus y is equal to 7 for the first equation. Right? Next we see the second point, two ordered pairs, that is 0 comma minus 3 and 3 comma 0. See this two ordered pair for the second equation, x minus y is equal to 3. Let me plot the points. First one is 0 comma minus 3. X-axis 0, y-axis minus 3. The point lies here, that is 0 comma minus 3. And then the second point is 3 comma 0. X-axis 3, y-axis 0. Here this is x-axis, so x-axis 3 and y-axis 0 means the point lies in the x-axis, that is 3 comma 0. This is the point of 3 comma 0. By using these 2 points we can make a straight line. So this line of equation is x minus y is equal to 3. This line of equation is x minus y is equal to 3. This line of equation is x plus y is equal to 7. Now see where it intersected. Here it is intersected and then below we have the line is and then here we have the line intersected, right? So this, we know that when the two lines are intersected we get one solution set, right? So here we get 5 comma 2, x-axis 5, y-axis 2. The solution set is 5 comma 2. By the line of intersection we have one solution. If you have any confused, we can make this a point as A, B, C and D point. Let me take it as this is A point, this is B point, this is C point and this is the D point. It will be very easy to understand the time. Now we want to write the solution. The point of intersection, when the two lines are intersecting, we have the solution, right? The point of intersection is is 5 comma 2 is the solution. Or simply we can write the solution is 5 comma 2, right? Thank you, students.